alaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Monday, 14 December 2020. It's our English period. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Okay, first of all, we will revise days of week. How many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, now revise how many months in a year. There are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, my dear students, let's start sing ABC rhyme. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Happy, happy I shall be when I learn my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Okay, students, let's start phonics. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Okay, LKG, let's conduct an interesting activity for you. First of all, look here. I have 5 strawberries for you. Okay, look here. Something is written on it. Yes, some letters are written on it. Okay, let's start reading. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, E, airplane. I, ink. E, elephant. O, onion. U, umbrella. These are 5 letters for you. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels for you. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, LKG, let's sing a rhyme about vowels. The vowels.
You go first. No, you go first.
Okay, LKG, now I am telling you about vowel story. Uh, Read carefully, it's a very interesting story. Okay, I hope you all can understand. There are 26 siblings live in a village. Okay, 21 siblings. First of all, the name of 26 siblings are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. But they live in a village with their parents. Okay, these 5 siblings, A, E, I, O, U, go to in a city to their grandmom, so they separate from their parents. Due to this, these are called vowels. These are called vowels. Learn with me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels for you. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, LKG, look here. Here are 5 puppets of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Say hi to vowels. And you can also do this activity at your homes. Okay, LKG, I have an other activity for you. It must you can do. Okay. First of all, make a color page. Take a color page and draw your hand like this. Open your hand and draw with a pencil. Okay, here are 5 fingers. You will write your vowels. Okay, first of all, revise vowels again. E, I, O, U. I, O, U. Okay, beta. Then you will write on each finger one letter. Start from A, E, I, O, U. And show me picture of this activity. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.